indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, USB adapter, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, hill assist system. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.